Hello students, I am JV'n Nehal Mittal and your topic for today is application for compensation. So an application for compensation arising out of an accident of the nature specified in subsection 1 of section 165 may be made by the person who has sustained the injury or by the owner of the property or where the death has resulted from the accident by all or any of the legal representatives of the deceased or by any agent that is duly authorized by the person injured or all any of the legal representatives of the deceased as the case may be. Proviso for this is this, that where all the legal representative of the deceased have not joined any such application for compensation, the application shall be made on behalf of or for the behalf of all the legal representatives of the deceased, and the legal representatives who have not so joined shall be impleaded as respondents to the application. So every application under subsection 1 shall be made to the claim tribunal who has the jurisdiction over that area in which the accident occurred, and it shall be in such form and shall contain such particulars as may be prescribed. Proviso for this is this, that where any claim for compensation under section 140 is made in such application, the application shall contain a separate statement to the effect immediately before the signature of the applicant. So no application for such compensation shall be entertained unless it is made within 6 months of the occurrence of the accident, provided that the claims tribunal may entertain the application after the expiry of the said period of 6 months but not later than 12 months. So if it is satisfied that the applicant was prevented by sufficient cause from making the application in time. So where a police officer has filed a copy of the report regarding an accident to a claim tribunal under this act, the claim tribunal may, if it thinks fit and necessary to do so, treat the report as if it were an application for compensation under this act. So who can file an application for compensation? We have understood where it is to be filed is to the claim tribunal who has the jurisdiction, to the claim tribunal within the local limits of whose jurisdiction the claimant resides, or to within the local limits of whose jurisdiction the defendant resides. So the bar on jurisdiction of civil courts. So where any claim tribunal has been constituted for any area, no civil court shall have jurisdiction to entertain any question relating to any claim for compensation which may be adjudicated upon by the claim tribunals for that area, and no injunction in respect of any action taken or be taken by or before the claim tribunal in respect of a claim for compensation shall be granted by the civil court. Now the payment of compensation is on a structured formula basis that is under section 163A. Also compensations are there in hit and run motor accidents where identity of the vehicles is not traceable, that is under section 161. Now the particulars that are to be submitted in the application is name and the father's name of the person injured or dead, full address of the person who is injured or dead, age of the person who is injured or dead, occupation and name address of the employer of the insured or dead if any, monthly income of the person who is insured or dead, whether the person in respect of whom compensation is claimed may pay income tax or not, place, date and time of accident, name and address of the police station in whose jurisdiction the accident took place or was registered. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.